Hi everyone, I am going to explain difference between var and dynamic in C Sharp. First, we should understand one important point. Var and dynamic are not types. They are keywords in C Sharp. The var keyword. Var is a statically type. This means the type of variable is decided at the compile time. The compiler checks the type before program runs. So if there are any type mismatch, the error occur during compilation. For example, var number is equal to 10. So here compiler automatically understands that number is an integer. Important rule of var, it must be initialized at the time of declaration. Once assigned, its type cannot change. It is a type safe because error are caught at the compile time. Example of the error, when we reassign the value, it will show compile time error. Here you can see this is the compile time error because we are assigning the string value to the number. The dynamic keyword. Dynamic is a dynamically type. This means the type is decided at runtime, not during compilation. The compiler does not check the error immediately. If something wrong, the error appear only when program runs. Example, here the variable can change its type during runtime. So I am running this code. Important key point of dynamic. Type checking happen at runtime. Initialization is not required immediately. It's not type safe. Example, here the variable can change its type during runtime. Important key point of dynamic. Type checking happen at runtime. Initialization is not required immediately. It is not type safe. So I am running this code. So here the variable can change its type during runtime. You can see here. Example of the runtime error. So here I am checking the length of boolean value. So that is wrong. So compile time it will not show the error. So after running this code, you can see it will throw the error. Same thing I will do for the var keyword. So here you can see compile time error will show. Key difference between var and dynamic. Var type checking at compile time, dynamic type checking at runtime. Var must be initialized at declaration. Dynamic initialization not required. Type cannot change in var, type can change in dynamic. Var is a type safe and the dynamic is not type safe. The conclusion of var and dynamic. Use var when type is clear and you want to better performance and the type safety. Use dynamic when working with COM object, reflection or dynamic language where type is not known at the compile time. In simple word, var decide the type at compile time and dynamic decide the type at runtime.